So we were driving by and we saw a sign for barbecue in Marble Falls, and just Marble. Oh, whoops. And Connor said that he's heard this place is amazing, so we said, whatever, let's go give it a try. The drive here, literally stunning. I mean, I can't believe this is real, so let's go try some barbecue today. I mean, okay, it's gotta be good. Look at this line.
Ancient Greek and dinosaurs. If you were here, you show us remorse. No one is immune. Spark deep inside, we all thrive. And the man on the other side is a reflection of you and I. Spark the antidote of our lives.
It's good.
Cut down on correction. Lead us with affection. We can go anywhere, do anything.
That was such a great lunch at Slow Groove and Barbecue. We passed the sign whenever we came over McClure Pass on the way into our campground at Kebler Corner. And then on the way back, we were sitting there and we're like, well, might as well go check it out because who knows when we'll be back in this area. And it was definitely worth it. We got a pound of pulled pork and a pound of brisket, and it is gonna make some great leftovers for the next couple of days. As for now, we're headed to our next campground. It is a few hour drive, so we're gonna show you guys the colors and the snow-capped mountains along the way, and I know it's gonna be beautiful.
We can go anywhere, do anything. Spark deep inside, we all thrive. And the man on the other side is a reflection of you and I. Spark the antidote of our lives. Cut down on correction. Lead us with affection. Spark deep inside, we all thrive. And the man on the other side.
I didn't know you were the one sleeping down there.
I fit, that's good.
Don't worry, we're gonna put a couple more layers on here to make it extra comfy for her, but it seems like it's pretty good. What do you think?
I think it's a good place to watch a movie on a rainy day.
Let us know if you guys would sleep here. It is funny though, because we've had this camper for over a year now and we've never done this before, but maybe we'll do it a little bit more in the future. It's kind of fun.
Last time you guys saw us, we were eating in a barbecue spot in Marble, Colorado. A few hour drive later, and we are now in Lake Granby.
We have a guest with us this weekend, so we are so excited to be sleeping 3 in our camper. But right now we are hiking by Monarch Lake. It should be about 4 miles, so we're gonna show you guys around.
We figured after 18 months in the truck camper, it is finally time to utilize the guest bed, and we are so excited to bring you guys along.
There she is. Hi.
No one gonna fight for you.
It is the first week of October, and the weather is still pretty awesome. It's like sunny and 60 degrees today, but it is in the 20s at night. We woke up to like 26 degrees, and the heater ran all night long, but that's okay because we are gonna thaw out today, and it is gonna be gorgeous.
Okay, Brian, let's go. Come on.
Take me to the stars and the moon. The
Oh. That is a trip.
The reviews of this hike did say that there were a ton of active moose in the area. We didn't know if we'd be able to see one since it's a Saturday and it's very busy right now, but we were able to see 3 out on the little island, and hopefully we can see them again around the other side. There's quite the variety of terrain on this hike. I think Amelia said we've been through like 4 different ones right now, and we are clearly walking through a riverbed with a little bit larger rocks. But hopefully we can get back over to a view of the lake so we can have a snack. Careful, buddy. We only have about a mile left till we get back to the car, but this is a perfect place to stop and have a snack.
Eat some jerky. Mm-hmm. We just stopped along the water for a jerky snack and just soaking in this beautiful view. But now we're gonna finish the hike. I think there's only like a mile left, but hopefully we'll see some more moose. Here we go. Somebody slowed other people down, so he's in the backpack now.
It's been 3.5 miles. He deserves it.
We are back in the car from the trail. It was absolutely gorgeous. It was very packed, but it makes sense because it's a Saturday. But we are gonna go find some lunch in town and then pick you guys back up at the campground. Woo!
It is so nice having an extra car that we can take into town and park at the busy trailheads. So we're gonna go explore a little bit, and then it's a pretty good campground too.
Thanks, chauffeur.
Oh yeah.
So we got back from exploring the town and just hung out and chatted. We are now having a fire, watching some football, and just hanging out and enjoying the good company that we have with each other. It's just fun to have a friend stay with us. It is something we've never done before, but we are thoroughly enjoying it. And we'll just take you guys along as the night cools down and we see what we do with the rest of the night.
We got back from the hike and we picked up some cheeses from the local grocery store. We're just enjoying a fire, the nice cool mountain air, and just chatting, hanging out. It's been a good day.
We have pretty great company.
Yeah.
So I realize we haven't told you guys anything about who Claire is and why she's one of my really good friends. I have known her since I was a baby. Literally, her and I crawled together, and she's just been in my life ever since. And she moved to Denver about 3 or 4 years ago. And when we lived out here, we got to see her as well, and our friendship's just been growing ever since. So it's just fun to have her around. She's the best kind of friend someone could ask for. So always thankful for her. And that's a little bit about Claire.
And I'm a really good dancer. It's 30 degrees, so it's gonna taste very good.
It's 25 degrees out this morning, which is officially the coldest morning we've had in the camper since February probably.
Good morning, guys. We were just hanging out, having coffee, warming up since it did we did wake up to 25-degree weather. That's our coldest, like Connor said. So I think we're gonna thaw out, hang outside in the sun before our friend leaves.
Sad. So sad.
It is a sad morning.
Yes. Can't wait to see the content. Bye, boy. Bye. Guys.